Kaunti ma bende jopuonjre mathoth manotimo penj ma KCPE osedonjo e klas 9 kopim kod counties mamoko e pacho kaendi. Maendi en ler ma bende ogol kod jatend migawo mar somo e pacho ka Ngire Jojo Magoha e limbe mare mar timo apedha ne manyo jopuonjre ma bende notimo penj e klas 8 to pok odonjo e klas 9 e kaunti ni eri ma Kisumu. Ripota marwa Sophie Sao ni kod mathoth.
Kane oloso e kinde manotimo limbe e kuonde dak Manyalenda kod Manyata e kaunti ma Kisumu okinyi ma kawuono, Migosi Magoha olero ni kaunti ma Kisumu nigi ong'ala mapiny e chenro no ero kaluwore ni nyithindo mawuok e kuonde dak mongohore ne pok oyudo thuolo mar donjo e skunde ma bende ne oluonggie. Bende owacho ni nyithindo 2 manyiri mane oyudo max 350 biro donjo e skunde nyiri ma Kisumu Girls, ka mano mawuoyi ma bende noyudo max 299 biro donjo e skul yawuoyi ma Kisumu Boys.
We are here this morning to continue to mop up the issue of 100% transition. 100% transition by the government of His Excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta has been very transformative. And I want to urge the public to ignore all those people making noise without facts. We have just continued, we have just completed the registration of candidates for KCSE for 2021, which will be taken in March of 2022. And the footprint of 100% transition is already there because we have a 10.28% increase. Our job is to continue to ensure that all children who complete Standard 8 transit to Form 1. And beyond that, any child that has been out of school for whatever reason is mopped back to school.
Migosi Magoha bende opoyo mokalo migepe mag sirikal e gwenge ma Mandera, ma bende en achiel kuom gwenge mangima teke kuom chopo atamalo 100 e chenro mar tero jopuonjre duto manotimo penj mar KCPE e skunde mag sekondari. Migosi Magoha bende owacho ni kaunti ma Nyamira to kod kaunti ma Bomet ne ochopo atamalo 100 mar chenro no ero, ka kaunti ma Nyandarua, Kisii to kod Wajir ochopo atamalo 99.
I know from my head, without even looking, that the Nyeri County is at number 1, and it is not just at 100%. Nyeri County is at 102%, which means it has mopped up all the children and also welcomed children from other places. You also have Nyamira County in this region, which has reached 100%, and we are grateful for the leadership of government, both Ministry of Education and the Ministry of Interior. For Mandera, which is in the far north, has reached 100.14. We are also very grateful for the leadership in Bomet, which has reached 100, and then the others which are between 95 and 99 are Nyandarua, Kisii, and Wajir. Another one which you would have imagined is not doing very well, has actually reached 99.82%.
Bende owacho ni chenro mar tero jopuonjre e skul biro dhi nyime tok yweyo machuok kata half term, ka olero ni jopuonjre go eko nyaka donj e skunde mag sekondari giduto.
299. I've got another boy who 299, we are taking him to Kisumu Boys, and another girl who will be taken to a day school. But over and above this, I want to say this, Mr. Machocho, and the Ministry of Interior officials headed by the County Commissioner here, represented by the Deputy County Commissioner, that this is an exercise that must continue until every county reaches 100%. I would like to re-emphasize, without the mockery of the people that are saying it is far much better for our children to be in school than to be loitering in the slums.
Maendi en chenro mabende migao mar somo timo e pacho ka ne pedho jopuonjre manotimo KCPE to pok odonjo e klas 9 e buo chenro mar 100% transition mabende ne oket kod piny owacho ma pacho ka.
Government is providing money, and I want to say this for the purposes of disabusing the minds of the people. And we were in London with His Excellency the President and many other countries when we were raising money for poor children. And Kenya is the one that is providing the highest amount of capitation for education in the whole of Africa. So do not listen to the evil naysayers because they actually don't know what they are talking about. We shall continue to do this for our children because children don't belong to political parties and we must serve them irrespective of where they come from. From here, I intend to visit the slums of Kiandutu and Witemere probably on Monday or Tuesday because the children are breaking for half time. You will be asking, why am I taking these ones to school today? They must be registered and given uniform. And then when they break and report to school on Monday.
Ne Lolwe TV kowuok e kaunti ma Kisumu, an Sophie Sao.